si Joanna Christine B. Robles, 14 years old.
This is Bini Joanna, 2-3. Thank you po.
Hi, I'm Maria Nicolette Vergara, 16 years old, from Tacloban City.
I'm Bini Colette, 2-3. Thank you po.
My name is Mika Alexandra Gilles, but you can call me Mika. I'm 14 years old. I study in San Pedro Poveda.
Bye! Hi guys, I'm Mika, 2-3. Thank you po.
I'm Sheena May Katakutan. I'm 14 years old.
Hey! Hi, I'm Bini Sheena, 2-3. Thank you po.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Marilyn Perez Recalde. I am 16 years of age. And
Ay, malas ko. Hi everyone, I'm Maloy from Bini, 2-3. Thank you po.